In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency of a Systeme.io funnel that is already made if you've recently expanded your business internationally or simply need to adjust the currency settings for your existing funnel to better align with your sales strategy. Follow along as we walk through this straightforward process. First, you'll need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to www.systeme.io dashboard n/login. This is where you'll enter into the digital heart of your funnels and marketing tools. Once you've reached the login page, proceed by entering your login email and password. Be sure to double check that you're entering this information correctly to avoid any frustrating errors. Once you're confident that your details are correct, click on sign in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Hover your mouse over to the websites section. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to click on Sales Funnels. This will take you to a list of all your existing funnel projects, where you can select which one you want to modify. Now it's time to choose the specific funnel whose currency settings you'd like to change. Click on the funnel you wish to modify, look for the Funnel Settings button and click on it. This is where you get into the nitty-gritty details of managing your funnel, so take a moment to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. Upon clicking Funnel Settings, an Edit Funnel pop-up will appear. This pop-up contains a variety of options, but our focus today is on the currency selection list. Click on the drop-down menu to view the available currencies. Select the new currency that aligns with your target market or business needs. It's important to be precise when making this selection, as it directly affects how your pricing is displayed to your audience. After you've chosen the desired currency, your final step is to save these changes. Click the Save button and your updates will be applied. This action solidifies the modifications you've made, ensuring that your funnel now reflects the correct currency in all associated transactions. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the currency of your Systeme.io funnel. This process is integral for businesses that are scaling globally or adjusting their market strategies to address a different audience. Making these changes can significantly impact the clarity and effectiveness of your marketing efforts, ensuring everything aligns smoothly with your financial planning and customer interactions. As you continue to refine and optimize your funnels, feel free to revisit these settings as needed. I hope this guide has been helpful in facilitating better financial management for your Systeme.io funnels. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.